Did you know you can make Vietnamese Char Siu in an air fryer and have it ready in way less time? Today I'll show you how to get that juicy, caramelized meat perfect for your homemade banh mi. Char Siu is like the Vietnamese cousin of Chinese Char Siu, the one we used in the ramen recipe. The big difference is that here the flavors are designed to pair with crusty bread, pickled veggies da chua, cha lua, and fresh herbs, which in my opinion are what really make the banh mi special. Today we're making it in the air fryer, so it's much faster and easier, but just as delicious. While most common version is with pork, you can totally make it with chicken, or even tofu for a vegetarian option. Stick around until the end, because I'll show you how to get that perfect balance. Juicy on the inside, caramelized on the outside, ready for our next banh mi video. Choose your subtitles. Ingredients in the description. To start, you'll need a couple of garlic cloves, which we'll crush and chop very finely. We'll do the same with half a red onion. We'll use a bowl to prepare the marinade for our meat. Add the chopped garlic, the red onion, 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, one tablespoon of soy sauce. I prefer a thick one for this recipe. One teaspoon of oyster sauce for extra umami. One tablespoon of fish sauce. One teaspoon of oil. I'll use olive oil, but you can use peanut oil. One tablespoon of brown sugar. Honey is also very good. 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And the secret to that special color, red food coloring. Just a pinch will do. Now, mix all the ingredients well. Not too liquid, not too thick. Let's go with pork in this case. I'll use sirloin, but you can use loin or boneless ribs. A pound, which we'll cut into 2 pieces. If you use another cut, you might need more pieces and even more time. Place them in the marinade. But before you start mixing it, put on some gloves. Trust me, you'll save a lot of time washing up afterward. We'll let the meat marinate for at least 2 hours in the refrigerator. I prefer to leave it overnight. Take the meat out of the refrigerator half an hour before you start cooking it. Preheat your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for a few minutes. Place the meat on the fryer rack. Leave me a comment if you're interested in more air fryer recipes or any other recipe. You can now cook it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 18 minutes. Halfway through cooking, turn it over and brush with a little of the leftover marinade. Before the final step, you can check the internal temperature, making sure it's over 145 degrees Fahrenheit. This way, your pork will be cooked properly, but not too dry. Now raise the temperature to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Just 3 minutes will give you a nice crust. Let the meat rest for 5 minutes to distribute its juices. You can cover it with a little aluminum foil to keep it from getting cold. It's ready, slightly crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. A delight you can enjoy on its own. Or you can follow us to see how we use it next week in the final episode of the Banh Mi series. And if you enjoyed this video, leave a like, which is free. I hope to see you next week. Thanks for watching.